Okay, now the new topic is the geometric relationship. In unit number 4, that is in flat and V-belt drive, we are going to see the geometric relationship. Geometric relationship, how to get the length of a belt. There are two types of construction, it is open and cross belt. This is an open construction. Okay, in cross belt the belts are in crossed way. So these are dimension which is shown here, that is C the center distance, capital D the diameter of a bigger pulley, smaller pulley is having small d. Now let's see that alpha s is the wrap angle of for small pulley, alpha b is the wrap angle for big pulley, capital D is the diameter of big pulley, as I told that all these things. Now just simply consider this O1G. Okay, O1G is what? This O1G. Okay, this O1G is there, and this OG. Okay, and this O1C. This is O1 to C. This O1 to C is the line, and OG is perpendicular to this line. Now the area OG, C and this B is a rectangle, is a pure rectangle. Now in this case OB is equal to CG. Okay, and this OG equal to BC. So sine of beta for OGO1, the sine of beta will be what? O1G upon O1. So O1G is what? This O1G is what? Nothing but the O1C minus GC. So capital D by 2. This is O1C is what? The bigger pulley diameter, and O1G is what? This GC is what? Smaller pulley diameter, which is equal to this OB. That's why this is capital D by 2 minus small d by 2 upon C. So this will become capital D minus small d divided by 2 times of C. So it will become in this way. Now sine of beta will be what? Capital D minus small d by 2C. So the alpha, as that is the angle of wrap for smaller pulley, will be what? You can see it is not totally 180. That's why it is 180 minus 2 times beta. Here it is greater than 180. So it is 180 plus 2 times beta. So alpha s is equal to 180 minus 2 sine inverse of capital D minus small d by 2C. Same thing for alpha b. Okay, it will have an addition, that is a plus sign. So the length of belt will be what? Put the value of this alpha s and alpha b with what? Arc FAB, means this FAB, plus this BC, plus this CDE arc. Okay, plus EF. This will be the length of belt. So arc FAB is what? D by 2 alpha s plus OG. This BC is nothing but the OG value, plus D by 2 alpha b is this, and OG is this, same, this and this are distance same. So if you put the values, what we get? D by 2 is pi minus 2 beta for alpha s, plus C cos of beta, plus D by 2 pi plus 2 beta, plus C cos of beta for this OG. OG is nothing but the cos of beta. So in this way you get this value. This distance is C, that's why it is C is taken here. So L is equal to what? Pi into capital D plus small d by 2 plus beta into capital D minus small d plus 2 times C cos of beta. So this is the equation which we get here. Now again solving this term, that beta is small, so sine of beta or beta can be written as capital D minus small d by 2C. So if you put the value of beta as capital D minus small d by 2C, or cos of beta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine inverse of sine square of beta by 2, or you can say in this term, that is 1 minus capital D minus small d square by 8C square. So substituting this value of beta and cos of beta, we get the length of this thing by solving this term, that is capital D plus small d by 2 and capital D minus small d by 2C, and by solving this term, this here, you get a formula, that is length is equal to 2C plus pi capital D small d by 2 plus capital D minus small d by square by 4 times of C. So this is how it is done for the open belt. Now the same thing for the cross belt. This is the cross belt. Okay, now the belt length is increased here. So how to solve this? Here also same triangle we are going to say that OGO1. Here is the O, here is the G, and is O1, and this triangle we are considering here. So based on this triangle, the same thing we get capital D plus small d by 2c. In the previous we have seen capital D minus small d. Here the addition is there because length is increased. So sine of beta is what? 1 degree plus 2 beta. So here all addition sign is there. So procedure for open belt drive and cross belt drive is same. Only the thing is there, you will get the term in this way, that is length is equal to C pi capital D plus small d by 2 plus capital D plus small d bracket square by 4c. So this thing is there here. Okay, so it should be noted that in the above expression capital D and small d are pitch diameter of pulley, while L is the length of belt. So this is how you are going to find out the length of belt for open and cross belt. Thank you.